Okay guys, today we are doing, let me move the recording thing. We're gonna make the Fortnite mini. So we're gonna start off, we're gonna delete the default circle. We're gonna go to lathe, path. We're gonna do this. We're gonna curve it up, go up a ways, curve it up, like so. And then we're gonna hit the green button. We're gonna autosave it here, so we'll go Fortnite mini. I don't really like how that works or looks right now, but we'll do some changing real quick. Alright, that looks a lot better. Okay, I like that. Alright, so we're gonna validate. We're gonna go here. We're gonna call this one jar. We're gonna duplicate it. Call this one juice. And then we're gonna duplicate it and then jar cut. Okay, so what we need is jar and jar cut to be, so actually we need to do something to jar cut right now. Real quick, I've got outline on. I got the update today. I didn't realize that it was going to update, so everything looks a little different. But we're actually going to do a few things here. So did you go here, blending? We're going to change opacity a little bit. And select that. Let's go here, hide that. We're going to change, oops, I'm on the wrong one again. Blending, opacity. Going to take that down because it looks like glass. So, got that. I actually didn't need to have that down, so. Got that. We're going to take this, blending, we're going to knock it down just because. So we're going to take jar cut and we're going to shrink it just a little bit by grabbing this outside here and just bringing it down. Then we're going to turn jar back on so you can see an outline. We're going to go to cell mask, line, and we're going to do just this here. So, got that. Then we're going to do this. We're going to bring it up and in a little bit, just like that. Now we are going to do this. We're going to do jar cut and jar. You're going to select both of them. You're going to hide jar cut because we're going to get rid of it. So we're going to take this to 300. On the voxel merge, so that should give us a pretty decent jar when we're all said and done. So let's go ahead and hit that voxel merge button. Blammo. Let's see how. Oh yeah, that's a lot of polys. Okay, so we're good. So let's turn juice back on. Juice, we're going to trim with line. No, we're going to use lasso. We're going to go diagonal and like this, and we're going to just like so. Okay, so juice, paint. We're going to go color picker right here. Can do that one. Horse paint all. We're going to adjust opacity. I think I went the wrong way, guys. I did go the wrong way. So we're going to back up to the cut. So what do I got? I got juice, mesh, We're gonna hide that. Juice, we're gonna paint. Paint blue, force paint all. Okay, then we're going to shrink it a little bit. We're going to trim it. Lasso, diagonal, just like so. Kind of give us that look that it's got right there. Why is it cutting that? It shouldn't be. I don't know why it keeps cutting that one. Well, apparently that is an error. That is so weird. That's what I got selected right now. So we're going to duplicate it. We're going to see if we can get it to go. No, it's not going to work. Oh, I don't know what's going on. Okay, let's go back here. Let's go pre-cut. Alright. Pre-cut. Oh, that's already cut, so I need to go back more. Okay, nothing's cut. Something's cut. This is... Okay, got that. Oh, I know what I did. Clear. Alright. So jar, gizmo, we're just going to move you out of the way, just to make the cut easy. Juice, I'm going to turn on. Jar cut, we're going to move down also. So juice, trim, lasso, that angle. There we go, we got that. Okay, so now we go to these two. We go transform up here, and we are going to go translation 0, enter, okay, 0, enter, okay. Okay, that didn't take. So, and then we're going to go here, select juice, same thing. 0, 0, 0. And nothing's adding up. So let's click here. Translation. 0, check. Oh, this is going so wonky. I don't even know what's going on. Okay, so we're gonna go jar cut. We're gonna do that. We're gonna keep that there. Voxel merge. So then we're gonna go mesh. Shrink you down just until you fit. Paint. Of course, paint. This isn't working quite like I want. This update must have some screwy things about it. So let's go paint here. Let's make the paint like that. Alright. We got that. Alright, we're going to add a cork. And then we are done. So we're going to go cylinder. Same radius start. Nope. I'll do it that way. And then height. And then we're just going to validate that. Move that up. Shrink her down. That's not even where I want it to be. Oh, looks like it's got to be a little bigger. You know, paint. Select the paint. Let's go with that color. We're gonna go paint, force paint all. I'm gonna change that. It's paint all. And then paint brush. No, I want here. Alpha. Let's find an alpha for this one. Let's go with this guy. Change the color a bit. Let's go darkness a little bit. Turn the intensity down. Oof, let's subdivide you a few times. Let's get you up about, yeah, 500,000. Kind of give it some quirky feelings. Let's go here. Oh, here. Select a different alpha. Let's go this one. Let's go. We can change you to grab dynamic radius. Nope, maybe that's the wrong one. That's the right one. Let's turn the intensity up a bit. Change the alpha. Let's go to lines like this. We're gonna remove this paint. A much darker color. So I started watching the new show on HBO called The Nevers. I like that one. It is kind of like X-Men meets medieval London, not medieval, like Victorian London, you know, Queen, all that. That's pretty decent. I like it so far. Okay, so we're gonna hide this and this. And we're gonna select that. I'm gonna paint it. Select that. Let's go here. We're gonna find an alpha like that. What do I got? Okay, so I need to up these a bit. Let's up that intensity a bit. Smooth this around the corners a bit. Just flatten, you know. That does not like to flatten, so let's go ahead, do this, remesh that. For some reason, high vertices and the smooth tool just isn't working today. I don't know what's going on there. Where are we at? 15-minute video? Alright, we're gonna call that good. So, we're gonna go brush here real quick. We need a circle. There we go. Got that. I'm gonna grab, sub. Let's subdivide that one time. I should actually be doing this in a lighter blue. Like a lot lighter blue. I don't know what music I'm going to put on the background of this thing. Let's smooth these out. That looks pretty good, like that. I didn't really pre-plan this video out, but you never know. As Bob Ross says, there's only happy little accidents. Okay, so let's turn those back on. There we go. So let's turn the background image off. Let's darken that up a bit. Throw a light on it, add a light. Okay, let's change that. There we go. Let's change this. Ooh, like that. Turn that roughness down. Let's force paint that. Oh, that has a much better look to it, don't you think? Just some smoothing. It's got a ton of vertices. See what that's at. Yeah, I got a couple. Got a million. Easy. Alright, we're gonna call that finished. So let's go to view. There we go. What do you guys think of that? Could be better, could be worse. I like it though. Thanks for watching if you made it this far. If you have, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Really means a lot to me. I will see you guys tomorrow.